In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious. Dear students, I am your course instructor Adiba Muzammil and we are doing chapter number 14, Respiration. So for this purpose, you need to know about the respiratory pigments. Respiratory pigments are actually the colored molecules which act as oxygen carriers by binding reversibly to the oxygen molecule. Various types of respiratory pigments are present in different animals. For example, hemoglobin, that is a red colored pigment which is present in the blood of human beings and other vertebrates. This pigment combines with oxygen reversibly and increases the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Means it can hold maximum oxygen into the blood. All known respiratory pigments contain a colored non-protein part that is a heme group in the hemoglobin. Now, there are two well-known respiratory pigments. One is hemoglobin and the other is myoglobin. So today we are going to have a comparison between these two respiratory pigments. Hemoglobin consists of 4 polypeptide chains, whereas molecule of myoglobin consists of 1 polypeptide chain. Hemoglobin molecule contain 4 iron containing heme groups, but in myoglobin molecule only 1 iron containing heme group is present. The function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen gas, whereas the function of myoglobin is to store oxygen gas. Hemoglobin is found in red blood cells, but myoglobin is found in the muscles. Hemoglobin has less affinity with oxygen as compared to myoglobin. Hemoglobin loses oxygen at a partial pressure of 60 mm mercury, whereas myoglobin loses oxygen at a partial pressure of 20 mm mercury. Now the role of respiratory pigments, as I have told you, they are colored molecules and they act as oxygen carriers. They increases the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Various types of respiratory pigments are present in different animals. Now, here is the structure of a hemoglobin molecule which is present in the RBCs. You can see there are 4 chains. 2 of them are called alpha chains and the other 2 are known as beta chains. These are ribbon-like structures which are helically coiled around one another. The alpha chains are present diagonally to each other. In the same way, beta chains are present diagonally to one another. Now, one hemoglobin molecule can bind to 4 oxygen molecules. So it means it enhances the oxygen carrying capacity of red blood cells. There are about 280 million hemoglobin molecules which are present on each red blood cell. Hemoglobin in humans increasing the oxygen carrying capacity to about 75 times. It shows the importance of hemoglobin in the structure of RBCs. This was all about the respiratory pigments. Thank you.